Hello people! So today's a big bird outside. Whoa! Anyway, today's video is going to be another laid back video. I'm just going to be doing like my current like go-to everyday makeup and kind of skincare I guess as well, because I didn't do a monthly favourites for the past month because I haven't got like tons and tons of new stuff. I've kind of just been like revisiting like old stuff that I've already got. But yeah, I've literally been doing like the same makeup. I've been stuck with the same products as well, so it's kind of like a try on favourites video, I guess. Call it what you want, I don't know. That's what we're gonna do today anyway. So if you want to see my current everyday makeup routine with a bit of skincare as well, then make sure you are subscribed and just keep watching. Okay, so skincare, I feel like this is kind of like my I've been doing this for a while. I haven't switched up much of my skincare. Cotton pad and my Thayers Witch Hazel toner. This is the alcohol free and unscented one. It's just really nice, and I feel like I feel like I've said this so many times, so if I'm repeating myself, which I know I am, sorry, but it just moisturizes your skin as well as just toning it, you know. Any leftover makeup, it'll take that off. I don't, because I've just had a shower, so I'm all makeup free. Nice. Also, I know the video will already be up by now, like my get ready with me for my Backstreet Boys concert. I died. I was dead. They are so good. They're one of those artists so much better live than on the CD. You know, like their voices. Me and my mum cried, of course. So yeah. Okay, we're toned, we're good. I need to put some lip balm on because my lips are ew. This is actually a really good lip balm. I love it. It's from the brand Dr. Organic. And it's the aloe vera lip balm. It moisturizes, soothes and nourishes, and it has an SPF of 15 in it. I'm almost out of this. I've been using this non-stop. Okay, then moisturizer. It has been fairly sunny actually, but you know what, it's Manchester in the UK. The weather changes every 5 minutes, so I have still been using this. This is the Pond's moisturizer. It just has an SPF of 15. I like it, does the job. It smells a bit funny, I don't really know. It does smell like old people. I feel like I say everything smells like old people, but it does genuinely kind of smell like perfume and old people combined. So take that how you want. So yeah, good to crack out the SPFs or like SPF moisturizers. Obviously when the weather's improving, which it's supposed to be here, but it's just not. Once that is done, I'm then just going to use my eye cream, which is not actually an eye cream. I've used this before. This is the Badescu Collegen Night Cream. It's just very, very hydrating, so I use it as my under eye cream, and I've had no issues. My under eyes are very moisturized. Ooh, all the time. Like you can literally just see like they go glowy once you just put this on, and we don't want gross dry under eyes, do we? So okay, also RIP to this nail. It's just I need to repaint that. Let's just pretend it's painted. Okay, moving on to makeup. So brows, you'll all be happy to know, maybe not actually, but I still haven't been doing anything to them. I just make sure they're trimmed and don't look crazy, and I leave them. I don't even put a clear brow gel in these days. Just out the door, brush, done. So that's really easy and simple. I think it's obviously I feel like most of my videos are like this at the minute, I'm sorry, but it's mainly like skin focused because it's not like a full glam look that I've been doing. So primer, as you can literally see how much I've been using this. This is the Emani Perfect 10 Primer Serum. I've just gone back to this and I just love it. It just feels really nice on the skin. It's made of lots of nice natural ingredients and it's supposed to be really good. It feels really good anyway whenever I put it on. My skin just always feels really nice. My makeup applies really well on top as well, so yeah, that's returned. I've lost the cap to it obviously. I've got a really bad habit of that at the minute. I just keep losing everything. Okay, right, so foundation. I obviously still go between like a skin tint or a foundation, but this I have not stopped using for the past few weeks. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is one of my favourite foundations just ever. I had stopped using it for a while. I think I just wanted like more dewy makeup and that, but when we had like a bit of sun here, I wanted my makeup to last a bit longer and I didn't want to get oily throughout the day when I was at work, when I was going out or anything like that. So this is the only matte foundation that I own and I love it because it's not fully matte. It doesn't dry out your skin or anything like that. So this guy is what I have been using. We're just gonna pop this on. Still using a brush because I'm still lazy as fuck. It just looks like skin. Like, it's just what you want. Concealer, I've gone back to my child, my baby, my soulmate. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. It's just the best. Then for powder, I have been using my Dermablend powder quite a lot, but I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me today just because it's in front of me. I'm just going to leave a bit of the powder under my eyes just to do its thing. And then I'm going to move on to bronzer. So I have still been obsessed with this. This is the Milk Makeup Bronzing Stick in the shade Baked. So good. Like, you can bronze and contour with this and it's just a really nice shade. I feel like this is really good for someone starting out with makeup as well because it's really buildable, like you can see. It's just very sheer and you can just build it up however intense you want. I'm just going to brush away any powder that I've got under my eyes, so just kind of pat it in. Okay, then for the rest of the face, I've been using this so much. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. It's the Unlocked palette. I've just been using a lot. The blush, especially this one here. It's like a peachy, orangey nude. It's just, and obviously it's got a nice glow to it. Highlights. I haven't been using highlight every single day, but when I have been using it, I've been using this from the palette as well. So I'm just gonna pop a bit of that on. Face pretty much done. I'm just gonna sort my eyes out quickly. How has that just happened? This just sums up how my life is going right now. Like, how did I just do that? I just touched it. I'm gonna be careful with that. Okay, I'm just gonna tightline my tightline. I have been obsessed with this mascara, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. It's easily one of my favourite mascaras ever. I don't know if I've said this in a past video or something recently, but oh my god, I actually love it. Look at my lashes. Okay, so that's pretty much everything done. I will just go ahead and spray my face. Usually I can't be bothered getting my fan out and just turning my fan out. I can't be bothered, I'm that lazy today, but I have really been liking using this. It's the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Luminous Setting Spray. This is really nice. It gives you a very nice glow. So I've been using that as well, but I just can't be bothered right now. For lips, I switch up a lot because of like work. Sometimes I wear a gloss, depending on kind of how I have my hair. If my hair's kind of tied back, I'll do a gloss. Or I've been using a Colourpop lippy stick quite a lot. I think the shade is called Boys Town. I'm not 100% sure. But this is also a go-to. It's the Morphe lipstick in the shade Court. It's one of my favourite... Probably shouldn't be talking. It's one of my favourite lipsticks just ever. Okay, so that is it for the video. This is my everyday skincare and makeup routine for at the moment. I do strongly believe that a lot of my current makeup is going to be changing soon because I do go away to New York this week. So I'm gonna get some goods while I'm over there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup routine kind of thing. So if you did, then make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and also make sure you're subscribed as well. And I'll see you in my next video, and my mirror will probably still be lopsided.